Good day, everyone. Today, we will try to access the system from a virtual machine. So here we have our virtual machine. Specifically, we use Oracle VirtualBox, and this is the virtual machine's IP address, 192.168.11.2. And as you can see, SAMP is enabled, Apache, MySQL, and this is the system directory, public HTML, and as you can see, guys. And this is the mother machine right here. This is the browser of the mother machine. As you can see, the virtual machine's IP address is inputted on the search bar and also the directory of the system. And it's currently loaded. Yeah. So let's try to log in as admin. Yeah. We also have security verification to verify that you are a human, and it also reduces the risk of brute force attack. It minus 8 is 0. So, okay. Wait. 6 minus 10 is negative 4. Okay. So, we successfully logged in as admin. And as you can see, we have analytics on the admin dashboard. Uh, so, here we have the students page. Here you can add student. We also have the functions create, read, update, and delete. So, let's try to create a student. Myself, one. Mm, okay. College, department, major. Year level, third year, section, A1. So its students successfully added, and here is the record. And so view, let's view the current student. Yeah, his personal info, academic info, enrolled courses, curriculum, like that. And let's go back to the edit page. Here you can edit um, what you want to change. Yeah. Each student and also delete. And as you can see, it's already deleted. And we also have filters for easy filtering. And you can filter by college, department, major, year level, third year, second, first year. So you can see first years are being displayed, second year, third year, and fourth year. And, and we also have a sections filter to specify a section or years.
Data encryption, security panel, ISU admin, encryption key status, active key. The system is currently protecting sensitive data. Key age, a fresh key was generated, algorithm, globally trusted encryption method, considered a military grade. Key length 256 bits, very strong, making brute force attacks practically impossible. This shows the system is using modern encryption standards to secure information, protected data, three users' accounts, one student record, one faculty record. These records are encrypted, meaning personal details are locked away and unreadable without the key. Security features password hashing by script scrambles passwords so they can't be reversed. CSRF protection stop malicious requests from hijacking user sessions. SQL injection prevents blocks hackers from manipulating the database. Session security keeps logging safe. Input sanitation cleans user input to prevent exploits. Together, these features form layers of defense against common cyber attacks. Backup overview. One total backup. The system is late, latest backup shows how much data was captured in the most recent backup. Last backup, timestamp of when the last backup was created. This section gives administrators a quick snapshot of the system. Backup help. Create new backup. A test box allows admins to add a description, example, daily backup, pre-update backup, end of semester backup. A green button label create backup now generates a full database backup instantly. This ensures that before any major update or change, they can be safely stored and restored if needed. Analytics and reports, dashboard reports, types of available overview, student scores, faculty enrollment schedules, grading, generated timestamp, May 11 shows when the report was last created. Print preview button allows exporting or printing reports for official use. This section is essentially the data monitoring hub for the institution. Activity log purpose displays all user activities in the system, helps administrators audit actions like logins, updates, or changes to records, provides transparency and accountability by showing who did what and when. Think of it as the security camera footage of the system, but in the text form. Advanced filters. The panel includes powerful filtering tools, data range, narrow logs to a specific day's action type. Choose which actions to view. Example, login, update, delete. User role filter by admin, faculty, student, etc. User select specific accounts. Search username, quickly find activity for one person. Row limits control how many entires load at once. Example, 1000 rows. These filters make it easy to pinpoint a specific event without scrolling through thousands of records.